carefully. When you're in a GD session, the 5 key rule you have to remember is very simple. First, you have to give regards to everyone. It's like greeting and wishing everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever it is. Second, it is out. Confidently state out what is your name, what is the name of the topic. I, Shubha, on behalf of everyone, is going to introduce the GD topic, right? So first, you have to tell up your name, and then you have to announce that topic, right? So you can say it out. The topic of today's discussion is status of sports in India, right? Then the liner comes is you have to give a meaning of that topic. It can be connotative, it can be denotative. When I talk about the connotative, it can be simply you can talk about sports are very essential for the health. They are very vital for us. And we all know that status of something it is improving right now. Whenever it comes status of education, status of sports, status of crime, हर एक में ये चीज करोगे कि स्पोर्ट्स क्या कर रहा है इंक्रीज हो रहा है आपका एजुकेशन सिस्टम भी क्या है रिफॉर्म्स आ रहे हैं इंप्रूव हो रहा है क्राइम जो है दैट इज ऑल्सो समथिंग इंप्रूविंग बट वी विल से इट आउट दैट द क्राइम रेट इज ऑब्वियसली इंक्रीजिंग विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम मतलब कुछ ऐसी चीजों को आपको याद रखना है कि कैसे उसके बारे में क्या चीज हो रही है देन योर ओपिनियन एंड देन यू ओपन द हाउस फॉर डिस्कशन clear with the 5 pointers
Yes,
done
ma'am.
in between discussion same way I agree to your opinion I disagree with your opinion I want to cite an example quote an example narrate an incident whatever you want to do आप वो चीजें बताओगे जैसे स्पोर्ट्स का स्टेटस इंडिया में you know about Fogart right now what happened to her about the last year terminologies कैसा उसका स्टेटस है मतलब स्कूल से लेकर हर चीज के बारे में बात करना आई गिव यू सम एग्जांपल्स then the conclusion part, one person will be concluding it out and he will say that, okay, on behalf of everyone, I'm going to conclude. And it was a very interesting session, interactive session, healthy, fruitful. Various perspectives were being exchanged. Then talk about some of the perspectives which you can talk about. आपको जनरल बताना कि स्पोर्ट्स कैसा कैसा है इंप्रूव कर रहा है तो किस किस डायमेंशन में इंप्रूव कर रहा है एंड देन यू कैन कोट ईच अदर्स एग्जांपल्स आल्सो एंड देन यू end the discussion by saying thank you. I think Sandeep is not there. Sandeep, you're there. I'm asking for the last time before I start with the discussion. Okay, he's not there. I'm removing it up. Sorry. Okay, now, who wants to introduce the topic?
मैम टॉपिक मैम रिपीट करना मैम
Status of sports in India. Okay, Akash, you can
स्टेटस ऑफ
introduce. Who wants to
Ma'am,
conclude?
I
Harsh?
can do. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Harsh is for the conclusion. And,
No, ma'am, let's start.
sorry, you,
Any,
sorry.
like for intro, first.
मैम
Want to intro? Akash, आपने पहले intro किया है?
यस
Go for the conclusion today then. Okay?
राइट
Right? Right. Akash for the conclusion, Harsh for the introduction. Clear? It is 4:17 by my side, and we're gonna start by 3 minutes later. It will be approximately 4:20. We are going to start. Okay? Done? 3 minutes. No one will switch off the videos because I want Anna not to Google it out. Clear? Chalo. All the best, guys. Think about the ideas. Guys, please start. Introduce the topic.
So, good morning, everyone. My name is Harshvardhan Vyas. I would like to take this opportunity to introduce all of you regarding our group discussion topic, which is on status of sports in India, which is quite interesting and the topic of national interest. So, as we've seen recently, Paris Olympics has been held in Paris, and we have seen our medal tally, which is around six, which is not which is not that good. But our sports medal tallies is increasing year on year. If we taking the consideration of the hockey, how Odisha government is taking responsibility of the hockey and how it helps to increase the medal tally, and we are getting bronze medal in the two consecutive Olympics. If every state government takes some responsibilities of every sports, then I think we can increase our medal tally uh, in a very drastic way. And talking about the many other sports like gymnastics, we know that Deepa Karmake is the first woman who has been qualified for the gymnastic championship, and she is the woman, so it will encourage women also. And this year also, women are getting too much in the sports. So taking the example of Inish Fogart, the unfortunate incident is happened with them, with her. So there are many sportsmen, like in badminton, we have reached the quarterfinals for the first time, and we are in the fourth position in many sports. So yes, medal tally is not that good, but we are in the good path right now. So now I would like to invite everyone for the group discussion. Thank you.
I highly appreciate my fellow speaker's point that definitely we know that though we had some of the less medal tally this year, but surely the sports culture and the state of sports is increasing every day in our country. As my friend quoted the example of how India has won two consecutive medals in hockey sports after 1980, I would like to tell on the fact that we all know that our country is cricket dominating country, and there was a time when people used to say that पढ़ोगे लिखोगे होगे नवाब खेलोगे कूदोगे होगे खराब. But surely today we know how this proverb is, I think, null and void. We all know how sports is very important for the overall development of a particular person. So surely I believe that sports culture is definitely rising in our country. And one of the typical example that I would like to give is that how we know that how entire country united when Vinesh Fogart was disqualified so as to compete in her last game. It could have been one of the greatest gold medals for our country. How country paid solidarity to Neeraj Chopra that despite winning his silver, people were still optimistic that he should have won gold. And the medal had gone to Pakistan, but that was a great, great throw. So I surely believe that the sports culture is rising. And I highly appreciate my fellow speaker's point that he mentioned that how different state governments can come forward and start supporting the different type of sports apart from cricket, so that many different sports can be promoted in our country, and surely the culture of sports can be reunited and reignited in our country.
I
I
totally
agree with your
agree
point
with
that the
your
state
point
governments
that
participate
on a
in
regular
sports
basis,
may
sports
sports
Skillo India
is
youth games
only
are
not the
also
state
happening.
government, but I think parents and at guardian level, at school level, we should also focus on the improvement of sports facility, grounds.
One by one by one.
I think
I can speak. If you see in athletics men's relay, then our contingent in 4 into 400 men's relay has definitely done a recommendable job. Uh, they finished on the fifth position in men's relay. And if we talk about in athletics only in 3000 meters steeplechase, our runner, I don't know correct name, but I think his name is Abhinav Samle. He has done really good uh, in 3000 meters steeplechase. Now, to my
At
friends.
the youth
Friends,
level
so
also,
मैं
like Khelo India is increasing every year. The Khelo India youth is organized, and like many PSUs are organizing the sports events in their for their employees, like NTPC, ISL. This is also increasing the sports participation in India. From there only the medals from Olympics and championship games.
I agree with your point
फ्रेंड्स हम
that the
लोग
PSUs
अगर
are now
स्टेटस की बात करें तो
improving the status of
स्टेटस की बात
sports in
करें
India. But I think it's not only job of PSUs or state government to promote the sports in India, but it's also important for parents and at school level to promote the sports culture. Many colleges do not have their own sports ground, sports culture, or sport teacher to train the kids at junior level. Uh, if we train our youth at young level for Olympic games, we could perform much better in various games.
Yes, sorry to interrupt,
India is-
Ambak, but Khelo
I think
Youth India is for junior only. From schools and colleges, many
since we
students
want to
participate.
improve the since we want to improve the medal tally in Olympics, then PSUs are great for culture, but not they cannot contribute much in the Olympic medals.
Neeraj
For Olympics,
Chopra
we
is
have to train some.
मैं जो
Neeraj Chopra is
फ्रेंड्स हम
also
लोग जो
from
है ना एक
BSF Army only. Like
पार्टिकुलर
he
डायरेक्शन
is-
में बात करते हैं ना फ्रेंड्स हम लोग जो है अभी हम लोग को पता है कि स्टेटस इंडिया स्टेटस जो है स्पोर्ट्स में जो है ओनली टू मतलब हम लोग क्रिकेट की बात करें और मतलब हॉकी तो पुराने टाइम से हम लोग का अच्छा था तो हॉकी और स्पोर्ट ये क्रिकेट को छोड़कर बाकी स्पोर्ट्स का अभी कंडीशन तो सुधर रहा है लेकिन उसके क्या कहते हैं स्टेटस जो है इम्प्रूव हो रहा है उसके
Status
इम्प्रूवमेंट
improving
में
the
कुछ
status.
बैरियर है
I agree with your point. कि status
उसके
improve कर रहा है,
मतलब
but
इम्प्रूवमेंट कुछ बैरियर है उसमें से
देखोगे
फर्स्ट बैरियर है लैकिंग ऑफ स्पोर्ट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर अपने मैं अगर चाइना की बात करूं तो चाइना में 1.5 लाख स्टेडियम है मल्टी स्पोर्ट स्टेडियम जिसमें हम मल्टीपल स्पोर्ट्स एक ही स्टेडियम में खेल सकते हैं लेकिन हमारे इंडिया में सारे स्टेडियम जो है वो क्रिकेट के लिए बनाया गया है और वो क्रिकेट के लिए ही है, उसमें हम अदर स्पोर्ट्स नहीं खेलते।
स्पोर्ट्स
जब
कॉम्प्लेक्स
हमारे
की
पास
कमी है।
highly agree that
इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर नहीं होगा,
also एक
Karnataka
लड़के लोग
government is
मतलब
promoting
practice
hockey.
करेंगे।
एंड बाकी गेम्स को भी फोकस
और
करना
एक
चाहिए।
न्यू गवर्नमेंट को
यहाँ इंडियन सिटीजन का भी मेन
न्यू
वो होता है, दे आर
पॉलिसी लेके आनी
ओनली
पड़ेगी,
सपोर्टिंग
जिसमें वो
क्रिकेट,
क्या कि
they watch cricket too much and so other sports only when it comes like in Olympic they only watch this.
इसमें इसमें हम एक तो स्पोर्ट्स
Actually,
को
the
आगे
main
ऐसे
promotion
ऐसे
of
बढ़ा
the
सकते
main
हैं।
promotion
एक
of the
तो
sports is done by player itself,
न्यू
right?
स्पोर्ट पॉलिसी
Like
having
before
new
Neeraj Chopra, no one knows what is javelin throw, but after winning a medal by Neeraj Chopra, everyone is like knowing the javelin throw. Like the shooting culture of the same as the shooting culture
Olympics
before,
only they watch
like
Neeraj
after
फ्रेंड्स
winning the medal by
हम लोग जो है
Manu
हम लोग
Bhakar,
आई थिंक हम लोग
sir,
को डिस्कस ये करना चाहिए कि हम लोग का क्या बैरियर है। अदर स्पोर्ट्स अगर
हाँ वही
अदर
वही
स्पोर्ट
बात
अगर स्टेटस नहीं
फर्स्ट
बना पा रहा है तो क्या रीजन है और उसका हम क्या सोल्यूशन है, हम लोग को लगता है ये
इसका
बात करना
माइंड
चाहिए।
माइंड
Yes, Shrikant, your point is right.
फर्स्ट
मेरे हिसाब से पहला रीजन ये कि
Trying to
इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की कमी है एंड
इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर अच्छा
think
नहीं
we
है तो
can
गवर्नमेंट
speak
ऑफ इंडिया
one
को
by
फंडिंग
one.
ज्यादा करनी चाहिए।
मैं यहाँ
और
पे अभी
और
हॉकी के
न्यू
FPR
न्यू
Srijesh का कोट
पॉलिसी
करना
है,
बाकी
चाहूंगा।
गेम्स में
पॉलिसी
He's
लेके
from
आनी
Kerala. He stated that
जैसे
he
का
start playing hockey because उनके
Hey
गवर्नमेंट ने
everyone,
बोला था कि अगर he will play hockey then he will get 5 marks in boards examination. So we can imply such rules जो कि यूथ को एक्साइट करेगा गेम
नहीं,
खेलने के लिए।
वो तो
ऐसे
स्पोर्ट्स
कुछ
कोटा
rules
है ही है,
फ्रेंड्स
स्पोर्ट्स
मैं
कोटा
एक
पे
और
जॉब भी मिल रहा है।
मैं एक और
हमें एक
बैरियर को
न्यू
मैं
पॉलिसी लेके
So
आनी
now I
कोट
would
करना
like
चाहूंगा।
to highlight some
यंगर
points.
मोटिवेट
everyone,
हो,
everyone, we
यंगर
aren't audible.
मोटिवेट हो।
Please maintain the
न्यू
decorum of the GD. I think we are having a great
मैं
discussion, but I think we need to focus upon the topic. Please, everyone, one by
मैं
one,
एक
please.
हाँ
मैं
न्यू
एक
स्पोर्ट
और
देखो
बैरियर
सुनो
इंक्लूड
एक
करना चाहूंगा यहाँ पे कि अभी जो हम लोग अगर देखें कि अभी हमारा जो हॉकी टीम है, हॉकी टीम का जो हम लोग मतलब जो बोलते हैं कि डायरेक्टर टाइप का जो होता है, चीफ जो होता है, चीफ जो हमारा मतलब उसको जो लीड कर रहा है हॉकी टीम को, ठीक है, तो वो हमारा EX
हमें
मतलब हॉकी
हमें
प्लेयर
मेन
ही है।
फोकस ये करना
लेकिन
चाहिए
अदर देन
प्रॉब्लम
हॉकी,
क्या आ रही
अदर देन
है।
हॉकी, टेनिस हो या बास्केटबॉल कुछ भी हो, तो उसमें जो मतलब क्या कहते हैं, जो चीफ है उसका जो जो उनको ऑर्गेनाइजर टाइप का बोल सकते हैं या चीफ बोल सकते हैं, वो हमारा गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के करीबी लोग बनते हैं। उनको मतलब खेल से कोई मतलब नहीं रहता है। किसी स्टेट के चीफ मिनिस्टर को बना दिया, किसी मतलब कुछ मतलब उनके पास अदर कोई
श्रीकांत, your
पोस्ट आता है,
point is
कोई
right, but
आप एक
you
बात
can't
देखिए,
say
हरियाणा
कि
का
गवर्नमेंट
है
इसके में
उसको
हेल्प
बना
नहीं
दिया।
कर रही है या फिर गवर्नमेंट
नहीं हरियाणा के
गवर्नमेंट
अंदर
का
सबसे
मेंबर होगा
ज्यादा
तो स्पोर्ट्स को
ये
सपोर्ट नहीं
मेडल
इसको
करेगा।
बोल सकते हैं कि इन्वॉल्वमेंट ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स
कर्नाटका
इन
गवर्नमेंट
स्पोर्ट्स
को आप देख लो,
इंडस्ट्री।
कर्नाटका
नहीं
हॉकी में इतना हेल्प कर रही है। रेसलिंग में
नहीं
आप हरियाणा गवर्नमेंट के वर्क को देख लो।
हरियाणा
नहीं, आई
गवर्नमेंट कर रही है।
टोटली
यूपी
एग्री
गवर्नमेंट
विद
को भी इतने पैसे मिले हैं।
श्रीकांत
सो
का कहना
यू
सही
कांट
है
से कि
Everyone,
गवर्नमेंट ऐसे काम नहीं कर रही है।
अदर
everyone,
स्टेट
our
को भी
topic is status of sports. I think we should focus on the status of
देखो
sports rather than talk about the different governments. Please be on the
Yes.
topic, everyone.
ठीक है,
देखो
अब
So
लोग जो
गवर्नमेंट
है
ऑफ
I would
इंडिया
बैरियर
like
को
to
डिस्कस कर
highlight.
रहे
I
थे।
would like to highlight some points like
नहीं नहीं
in Paris Olympics we have sent only 117 contingents of a 140 crore population of our country, and we have seen in Europe, the whole Europe has 20 crore population, and Spain is the one of the part of that, and they send 400 contingents. So where we are lacking? We are lacking in the infrastructure. We are lacking. We have done some politics in the sports also.
यस
So
यस
we need to consider that also, and
Yes,
we
नहीं
need to we,
एक
we
न्यू
need to
स्पोर्ट पॉलिसी भी लेके आनी पड़ेगी
need to
गवर्नमेंट ऑफ
increase
इंडिया को,
like
जिसमें वो
we need
यंगर
to
को अट्रैक्ट
promote
कर पाए,
we
ताकि
need to
मोटिवेट कर
promote
पाए।
the
फॉर
particular
एग्जांपल
sports into some particular manner. Like if we have seen that javelin throw Neeraj Chopra, he get a lot of attention. As simple, we need to give some example. We need to create some one player at least so that they can set an example. Like Deepa Karmakar, she set an example. She is the first woman to get qualified in the gymnastics. So Neeraj Chopra is the first javelin thrower in the athletics in the Tokyo Olympics getting gold. So we need to set some example to improve the particular sports. So yeah,
I
this is my
highly
point.
appreciate with
एक
my
तो ना
fellow
न्यू
speaker's
स्पोर्ट पॉलिसी
point
लेके
that
आनी
he
चाहिए अपने को
highlighted
गवर्नमेंट
that
ऑफ इंडिया को, जिसमें ये हो कि जैसे हरियाणा के अंदर क्या हो रहा है कि जो कोई भी मेडल लेके आता है तो उसको एक जॉब मिलती है। आज की यंगर जनरेशन के साथ क्या हो रहा है, सारे सारे एम्प्लॉयमेंट के लिए भाग रहे हैं, कोई भी बंदा स्पोर्ट्स के पीछे नहीं भाग रहा है। उसके पीछे अगर गवर्नमेंट को न्यू स्पोर्ट पॉलिसी लेके आनी चाहिए, जिसमें अंदर ऐसे हो कि अट्रैक्टिव हो। एक कोई भी बंदा एक स्मॉल लेवल पे कोई मेडल लेके आता है तो उसको एक ऐसा कुछ होना चाहिए कि उसको जॉब इजीली मिल जाए, ताकि उसका लाइफ का टारगेट ऐसा होना चाहिए कि वो
स्पोर्ट्स
बंदा
कोटा तो है ही है
स्पोर्ट्स की
ना,
तरफ जाए।
स्पोर्ट्स कोटा तो पहले से इंट्रोड्यूस है,
एग्री
स्टेटस
स्पोर्ट्स
नहीं
कोटे की
है।
वजह से
फ्रेंड्स,
हम लोग आ रहे
मैं
हैं।
एक
इजी
और
करना
बैरियर
चाहिए
की
ना।
बात करना चाहूंगा
उन्हें
कि
ऐसा लगता
अदर
है कि
स्पोर्ट्स जो है क्यों मतलब मतलब उतना आगे नहीं जा पाए, क्योंकि अभी खेलो इंडिया का प्रोग्राम कुछ दिन पहले से लॉन्च हुआ है, कुछ दिन पहले लॉन्च हुआ है, लगभग 2 3 या 4 दिन पहले। तो उसमें क्या है कि जो हर एक स्टेट को जो बजट दिया गया है, तो हमारे हरियाणा में एटलीस्ट उसमें नंबर ऑफ पार्टिसिपेंट ज्यादा हैं, जो कि हमारे ओलंपिक में पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं। तो
हरियाणा
वो
पंजाब।
लगभग इस बार लगभग 24 पार्टिसिपेंट थे वहां से। लेकिन उसको जो बजट दिया गया खेलो इंडिया की तरफ से, उनको 66 करोड़ का बजट है अप्रोक्स। जबकि हमारे यूपी हो गया या अदर स्टेट हो गया, उनमें मतलब नंबर ऑफ पार्टिसिपेंट 6 या 7 है, मतलब बहुत लेस है। फिर भी उनको 438
नहीं,
440 करोड़ इतना
सॉरी टू
बजट दिया गया
इंटरप्ट
है। तो
श्रीकांत।
मेरा
खेलो
ये कहना
इंडिया का
है,
मतलब
मेरा
मेन
ये
जो मोटिव ये था कि जो
नहीं,
इनिशियल
मेरा ये कहना है
यूथ
कि
को
क्या कहते
इंट्रोडक्शन
हैं
करना
ना,
था।
डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन जो
देखिए,
मनी जो है, आप एक तो या डिस्ट्रिक्ट वाइज कर दो, या मतलब
नहीं
अनइक्वली इतना मत करो।
नहीं नहीं,
नहीं,
वो
ठीक है,
खेलो
डिस्ट्रिक्ट
इंडिया का
वाइज
ये नहीं
गवर्नमेंट
है।
ऑफ
कर दो
इंडिया को
या
न्यू
डिस्ट्रिक्ट वाइज कर दो
पॉलिसी
पूरे
लेके आनी
स्टेट में।
पड़ेगी, उस पे हो सकता है
Surely,
इक्वलिटी के
surely.
लिए।
Rahul, I agree with
गवर्नमेंट
your
ऑफ
point, and I want to highlight one of the one of the highlights that Harshvardhan did a point that despite being such a large population, and when he compared the European countries, so I think there lies the difference. There tells the real status that despite being so much of the great population, we aren't able to earn some great medals. So I think this
नहीं नहीं,
dignifies and tells us what is the status. I highly appreciate your point that definitely education, sports reforms need to be coming into the place by the government. But I think we should also focus upon the grassroots levels. As one of my friends highlighted that if we start nurturing the talents in different sports from the young ages, I think we can be improving the sports culture in a country.
Yes,
For
Nishant, your
Right,
example,
point
right.
is
Like
very
for
good.
example,
खेलो
for
But
इंडिया
I
example,
में
would like to
नहीं,
add
बस
one more
यूएस
point.
और
एक
चाइना
मिनट,
में
We
एक
अगर
see
मिनट।
आप देखें
that
तो
in
वहाँ
Olympic
पे
हमारे पास
20
4
एंड
या 5 ऐसे
24% है
पोजीशन थे
जो
जहाँ पे हम
स्पोर्ट्स
फोर्थ
में
पोजीशन पे
इन्वॉल्व
रह
हैं,
गए.
बट इंडिया में
Like we
Am I
are
audible?
बैडमिंटन में अगर we see लक्ष्य सेन, he was leading in first set, सेकेंड सेट में वो 8-0 से आगे थे, बट ही लास्ट हिज मैच. कहीं ना कहीं हमें स्पोर्ट्स कल्चर को बढ़ावा देने के साथ साथ हमें प्रेशर मैनेजमेंट या फिर साइकोलॉजिकली प्लेयर्स को भी स्ट्रांग बनाना होगा, जिससे
surely
वो
it's a great
प्रेशर
point.
और
It's
वो
a great
श्योरली
point
मैम,
that pressure
साइकोलॉजिकल
management
नहीं,
should be
सोसाइटी
प्रेशर
there.
जैसा भी
मैनेजमेंट
कानून
और
बनाना
Despite
चाहिए
मेंटल स्ट्रेस को भी मैनेज करने का सिखाना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि अगर हम मनिका बत्रा और
अपने।
श्रीजा अफूला का देखें तो उनके भी यही प्रॉब्लम थी कि वो
यस.
फाइनल में, मतलब
Please
जो मेन
conclude the
राउंड है,
Yes,
क्वार्टर
topic.
yes.
फाइनल में.
Conclude the topic now. Guys, listen to me.
ma'am,
Please go ahead for the conclusion.
आई थिंक मैम 5 5 मिनट शुड बी 5 मिनट मोर
5 minutes more.
डिस्कशन.
ma'am, who anyone had the opportunity to conclude, or ma'am, anyone can take the opportunity to for the conclusion?
I think conclusion part would go for the like who? That boy will
Yeah,
be.
yeah, it was initially decided someone will be concluding.
I guess hers.
Okay, no worries. You may conclude. Whosoever
May I
wants.
conclude, ma'am?
Yeah.
May I?
You can. Yes.
Okay. So, so I think we all had a great discussion among us all, and I think we all raised some of the good points for the topic that why the state of sport, what is the current state of the sports. Some of the point that we need to highlight is that definitely we need to work upon the grassroots levels so as to increase the sports culture in our country. Secondly, I think it was a very great point that how the mental well-being so as to play sports is very important. As one of my friends highlighted that despite being leading in the first 2 sets, Lakshya Sen lost the game, and he could have been a potential winner for the gold medal for our
Yes.
country. So I think mental health will be also one of the important aspects that need to be worked. Third point I think we should raise is that we know that there are many types of parental pressures and the societal pressures, because many times people or a particular person wants to play for the sport for the national levels, but he or she is getting pressurized by the society and the parental pressure so as to focus more upon the studies rather than sports. So I think these are some of the potential reasons that are declining the state of sports in our country. And some of the solution that we can have is that one of my friends highlighted that we can promote more of the leagues like Halo India so as to promote the sport culture. Secondly, we can look for how the other PSUs can involve and generate for the promoting the sports culture by allocating the funds. Third, we can how work upon different sports stadiums, and the different state governments can come forward and support the sports just like Odisha is doing for the hockey. So I think we all had a great discussion among us all, and definitely we raised some of the good points, and that's all from our side. Thank you so much.
Okay. Fine. Done. Are we done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the topic basically status of sports in India right now. So right now what is happening we all know. Fine, in this Paralympics 2024. So we have somewhere lagging in achieving the gold one. Somewhere we are getting silver, somewhere we are getting bronze. Okay, that's fine. That is somewhere it could be luck as well. It could be worthiness, worthiness, all right. But guys, you guys are deviating from the topic. Some are, they are segregated on the states based or something like that. See, you can currently, highlighted the points that is, Olympics in 2024, the Neeraj Chopra. And even if you are talking about Neeraj Chopra, so you guys are constantly talking about Neeraj Chopra. So you may take another, that Vinesh Phogat is there and a Manu Bharkar is there. The Neeraj Chopra is one of them, guys. All right. Now, why it is happening? What is happening to the sports? You can say like that. There is no proper governing of administrative to the sports cycle. All right. Everyone is under surveillance. Fine. Everything is in under checking on like that. But sports, I don't think so. It's too much is under checking right now. Okay. That could be one thing. आई वुड से जैसे एक्स स्पोर्ट्समैन होते हैं तो वो मतलब पहले से छोड़ देते हैं, ठीक है। तो अगर कहीं ना कहीं उनकी इन्वॉल्वमेंट होगी तो मेरे को लगता है एक्सपीरियंस कैंडिडेट खेल रहा है तो इट कुड बी हेल्प, आई वुड से इट कुड बी अ कंट्रीब्यूशन। फाइन, आई वुड से द पुअर फैसिलिटी बाय गवर्नमेंट, जिसकी वजह से थोड़ा स्टेटस थोड़ा सा इधर उधर कम हो रहा है, बिकॉज समवेयर वी आर नॉट गेटिंग द प्रॉपर सोर्सेज, द सोर्सेज आर नॉट सेग्रीगेटेड प्रॉपरली, दैट कैन बी वन थिंग। ऑलराइट, family support aa jata hai, lacking of family support and support culture. Every family is behind like, okay, we should study, we should give the examination, all right. But I think parent would also, raise their children in such a way, like do not play with the video games, play outdoor games, go out and play. All right. So that like, it's just a normal saying that we should raise our children in such a manner so that we can, encourage them towards playing sports. Right? It's not just for the nation winning or something like that. It is just for personal growth as well, guys. All right. Not enough recognition. Like, see, we're already in, allocating the cricket, hockey, cricket, fine. What about chess? What about badminton? What about other sports? Cricket is not the only one thing, I would say. Cricket is only the one, like, yeah, there are other, another sports too that we need to recognize. Fine. Now, what we can do is like, आप लोगों ने जैसे बोला, खेलो इंडिया is one of the things. ठीक है, खेलो इंडिया is okay, one of the like initiative I would like to say, like from the government and all that. All right. ठीक है, वो सब ठीक है, लेकिन आप और क्या कर सकते हो, और आप क्या बोल सकते हो बेसिकली। सबसे पहले तो आप लोगों ने इतना Yeah, Shubha ma'am is there to over to her. Okay, fine, guys. Ma'am will give you the feedback on your personal level. Let me tell you about your enriched content which you have to carry in status of sports and India. Okay. जब भी कुछ चीजें आती है जो मैं 3 हैक्स बोलती हूँ हर जीटी में कवर करने के लिए, that is your awareness, infrastructure, and your you can say parental support. Now tell me very first thing, that is your elementary schools में आप सबके पास PT periods होते थे. Were they actually utilized for the PT sessions or were they for the teacher, or you can say for science or maths teachers? Science and maths used to overtake it out, first thing. Second thing is that whenever you have some sports facilities, infrastructure, आपने खुद देखा होगा infrastructure wise we had very limited sports in our this sessions, right? It was cricket, it was basketball, it was football, and it was maximum to maximum, I think, table tennis or volleyball court. Other than that, 5, 6, 7 sports, we didn't have any other sports. So awareness of all the sports is missing. Infrastructure in elementary school, it is still missing. It is about the primary schools. And plus, parents even does not support children to have a career in sports. They just say it out that sports can be utilized and all that. Sports can be for your extracurricular activities. It can be a hobby, but it cannot be as a career-wise. Why? Can anyone tell me क्यों sports career नहीं हो सकता? Is there any lack of job? Is there any job security in sports? There's no job security. That is lack of job security. Very, very important point. Second is importance. You will say it out as कि एक job security की वजह से जो actual में कुछ win भी करते हैं. If there are some players who actually won some medals also, is there any kind of you can say fruitful job for them also? What about the runner-ups? Runner-ups के लिए कोई sessions कोई वो नहीं है. Funding होती है. Funding हमें नहीं मिलती है. Schools में academics में कोई funding नहीं मिलती है. If only the person actually wins it out, he gets the support. If does not, there's no support for him. That is also a negative trait, right? What else I would say out of the maximum thing is you just heard about, I think, अभी आप सबने वो देखा होगा, javelin throw देखा था. किसने देखा था?
Yes, ma'am.
Even I watched it out. At 12, we were sitting. Were we aware about the javelin and all other sports before he actually won, before Neeraj Chopra came to limelight? we were not aware about many of the sports, right? And it is still true that many of the sports we are still not aware. We are aware about very less sports in India only because awareness is not there. Only some sports are being taken into consideration. Once India wins in something, we start watching it out. We all know that there's another GD topic that is India killing another sports in India. Why cricket is in the limelight? Media is also giving the limelight to cricket, but only to men's cricket. What about women's cricket? Do we watch women's cricket with same interest? Tell me anyone amongst us. I'm also part of it. Anyone amongst us has watched Indian T20 or T50 with same interest as we watch T50, men's T50. When India lost T50, we were all disheartened, right? And T20, when India won, everyone had spread on the smiles and all that. What about India? We are not aware. Anyone can tell me who are the team players in Indian women cricket team? किसी को पता है? मुझे भी-
Some players I know.
Some of the players. Do you know all?
Yes,
And if
ma'am.
I ask you right now for men's, you would tell me who has
Surely.
taken that catch? सबको याद होगा.
Yeah.
सूर्य का नाम याद
Yes,
आता है,
ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Akash
what people, you remember when in 2012 we won the match? That was won by against Pakistan. The catch किसने लिया था? किसी को याद हो?
Srishan.
No one watched. Srishan.
Srishan.
Srishan took that catch.
Yes.
Where is Srishan right now? Many of the sports persons who actually won, who actually did something amazing for us, right? But right now, only the cricketers who had still continuing it out, they got the fame. Many cricketers, they just got, you can say, loved or vanished somewhere from the lives of the people, right? So that is the cricket or any other sport does not have a good kind of your facilities for your future. Why a person will take it in that league then, right? And even media is not supporting in any category. मीडिया भी क्या हो जाती है, कई बार बायस हो जाती है प्रॉपर, उनको वो भी क्रिकेट को लाइमलाइट पे लेते हैं. व्हाट अबाउट अदर स्पोर्ट्स? वी आर नॉट. अब जैवलिन भी इसलिए आ गया बिकॉज उसमें हमने मेडल विन कर लिया. और भी कोई रेसलिंग का भी उसमें आई थिंक उसमें फॉकेट का भी तब मेंशन हो गया बिकॉज इट हैपेंड, दैट केस हैपेंड, राइट? नाउ एवरीवन न्यू अबाउट दैट केस. बिफोर दैट वी डिड नॉट इवन बॉदर टू वॉच इट आउट. एंड दैट टू आल्सो व्हिच आफ्टर व्हिच मूवी? दंगल मूवी देखी होगी सबने. Many of you have watched the movie. Now, one very example I would set out whenever there is some kind of a topic, सबने कोई ना कोई मूवी देखी होती है. Give examples of the movies also because movies भी आजकल awareness पे आ रही है. I don't remember all the movies to be honest. There was a movie which was shot by Kangana Ranaut. That was on I think one football. I don't remember the name. Dangal movie was on wrestling. We all know that is. What else was the movie? I think there was one movie with Janhvi Kapoor also. So
India.
हाँ, तो मतलब बहुत सारी चक दे इंडिया, वन फेमस मूवीज. तो ऑल दीज मूवीज व्हाट दे आर डूइंग इज दे आर स्प्रेडिंग अवेयरनेस. ऐसे एग्जांपल्स देके आप और भी अच्छे पॉइंटर्स दे सकते हो, रियल लाइफ से रिलेट करते हो. दैट यस, इवन वी कैन से दैट फिल्म इंडस्ट्री इज आल्सो पेविंग इट्स वे व्हाइल स्प्रेडिंग द काइंड ऑफ यू कैन से इंटरेस्ट अमंग्स पीपल अबाउट स्पोर्ट्स. कैसे स्पोर्ट्स में इंटरेस्ट होना चाहिए, क्या होना चाहिए. So these are helping it out. We will say that status of sports is improving in India in a direction where we are getting aware about another sports in India also. Policies like आपने खेलो इंडिया की, I don't know if they talked about खेलो इंडिया. There is a schools academy के बारे में बात होती है. उषा is there. There are number of policies. तो गवर्नमेंट का हमेशा प्लस पॉइंट आएगा. गवर्नमेंट हमेशा क्या करती है, इम्प्रूव की डायरेक्शन में लेकर जाती है. जब भी कोई जीडी टॉपिक आ जाए, लिसन इट वेरी केयरफुली, एनी जीडी टॉपिक अंडर द स्काई, गवर्नमेंट पॉजिटिव हेल्प कर रही है, कुछ ना कुछ रिफॉर्म्स ला रही है. इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बड़ा बेकार है अभी तक इंडिया का, वो इंप्रूव होना ही होगा, ऑब्वियसली बात. थर्ड, आई वुड से अवेयरनेस. पीपल डोंट हैव अवेयरनेस इन आवर इंडियन फैमिलीज. Which is being promoted is, I think, being a doctor or being an engineer is being promoted. Other than that, nothing is being promoted, right? Or it's a government job. Other they would never say, "मेरा बच्चा cricketer बनेगा." It won't be a thing, right? That is just for the passion of very few families are there who actually motivate it out. But otherwise, they want a full-term career otherwise and a good in sports in the other run. Clear with all these things? Many famous sports person even give a remark. मुझे ये नहीं याद आ रहा कौन सा sports person था. He was very famous on Instagram also recently, that his mother had a wish that you are a cricketer, but I wanted you to be in a government job. So that is the awareness. That even I think it was by bowlers, one of the bowler it was. I don't remember it all. Clear? अब समझ आया कि what you have to mention about status of sports in India? Any person, any doubt? From schools, but yeah, you can mention NEP की वजह से. If you have done education topic with me till now, GD, National Education Policy के बाद sports में awareness हो रही है. Now, if you have any of your niece and nephew in the school, They are into multiple sports activities, and I will tell you that being a 5-year-old, I have a nephew right now. So she's indulged in that clay sculpting. Swimming is being there right now in their schools. I mean to say now the reforms are there, but not at first it wasn't before. Okay? Anyone any doubt? जल्दी से बता दो किसी को कोई doubt है? Clear? Feedback has been given by Shikha ma'am to you guys. All of you, किसी को कोई question है तो you can ask me. All of you got the
Ma'am,
feedback from
ma'am,
Shikha?
I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can we highlight that from a government point perspective also, when we see that in government school there are PT teachers, but many a time we see videos of them, they are basically sleeping during when they have to take the classes or they have
This is
to.
a controversial point. You can simply say it out. Even the sports teachers in the schools, they also consider it as their free period or as a period where
Yeah.
the people can just roam around. Students can just roam around. There is no interest in passion. Passion बच्चों में भी missing है और teachers में भी missing है because they never want the person that they never think that the person will be in the career opportunity. Even ये भी आप बता सकते हो जो retired professionals थे जैसे अभी हमारे coaches थे इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम के right? ये तो कुछ कुछ popular faces आ गए जैसे राहुल द्रविड़ था and all these proper faces they became the coaches. But there are number of cricketers they are not put into the administrative work once they retire. Or I won't say retire, like they retire at a very early age from their sports. So they can be a part of any, you can say, administrative work. They can be given a full-time job over there, but they're not given the job. Only the person who won something, only the person who have some kind of a medal or some kind of they have gone towards some tournament, only they get that advantage. Clear? Now, any person, any doubt?
Ma'am, like I gave the example of Odisha, like how it helps to improve the position of hockey. So is it good? Ma'am, like I gave the example of hockey, like how Odisha helps a lot, like to improve the hockey in India.
See, जब
Ma'am,
improvement की बात आ जाएगी ना, take it at the last 5 minutes. ठीक है, at last 5 minutes only you can call about. Topic main देखा करो, status of sports in India. You have to tell the person who introduces. See, I've not heard your introduction, honestly. Ma'am was listening it out. I just came for the briefing of you guys because she's going to take a charge in the morning sessions, right? So I am just telling you in the intervals कि जो sports के आप बोलते हो introduction में, if you have got a topic status of sports in India, the introductory person will say that there are certain ways you can improve it out, and we can discuss about what are the faults which are remaining in the society, why we are not able to improve it out. What are the policies we are going to implement? 3 चीजों के बारे में introductory person can give us streamline. Clear with that? Okay. Chalo, we'll meet you tomorrow, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.